Welcome back, friends. Today, we are going to paint the exhaust heat shields, strip the rear fender, try to get 2 coats of primer on that today. We're going to install the handlebars, install 1 footrest cover that's done, and I'm going to install the rack that holds the tall pack on the bike. It's a lot to get done today. Hope I can finish it. It's been a 7-hour day in the garage, but I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish today. The handlebars, I think, look fantastic. I love that black look. It just looks so good. Anyway, the rack for the top pack is on. I was able to get that footrest cover on. I only have one. The other one I had to sand back down because I didn't like the way it looked with the clear coat. That rear fender is good to go. The only thing I got left to do on that rear fender is hand sand it one more time. The exhaust heat shields, I'm not sure if I'm happy with the way they look right now. I'm going to let that dry a couple of days, take another look at them. I might scuff them up and give it 2 more coats. We'll see. Now you're probably wondering, why am I putting these parts on as I go? I mean, you see the garage, right? It's a small garage and I just don't have the space. I got a table here, it's full of stuff, and I got to make room for stuff, you know? So as I go, I'll put stuff on the bike to make room for other stuff on the tables. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next video. Everything's in the air right now. I would like to get that front fender and rear fender painted and get it put on this bike. And at the same time, I want to see if I can paint that inner and outer fairing. Get at least 4 pieces done. We'll see what I decide on when I come back into the garage and start working on the bike. One more thing before I go. I am thinking about adding some metal flake to the paint. And if I do the metal flake, that's a bunch of steps that I will have to do. From what I understand, I'd have to spray the metal flake, give it 2-3 coats of clear, and then I'd have to hand sand everything to get that metal flake down, laying flat. And I would have to order a lot more clear coat and a lot more work sanding everything. I'm literally on the fence as to whether I'm going to do that or not. We'll see. The next video, if it's posted, will be on your top right hand corner. And you all ride safe and be blessed.